Let me ask you something. What would you do if you woke up tomorrow, opened your work email, and saw one message? Your position has been automated. Your boss? Gone. Your team? Replaced. And the company you helped build? Now run by an AI that never sleeps, never eats, and never complains. Sounds dramatic, right? Well, this is the story of 2026, and you might be the main character. Meet John. Just an ordinary accountant, hardworking, loyal, good at his job. In 2025, his office introduced a new AI program called AutoLedger. At first, John thought it would help him make life easier. But within 3 months, AutoLedger learned faster than any intern ever could. By the 6th month, John's 20-person department was down to just 3 humans. Everyone else? Replaced by algorithms that made 0 mistakes. Now pause for a second. What would you do if you were John? Fight the change? Or learn to work with it before it replaces you too? Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't forget deadlines. It doesn't gossip during work hours. A 2024 MIT study revealed that AI systems already outperform human doctors by 14% in detecting rare diseases. 14% better, and they're improving every month. Think about that. How long before your boss realizes a machine can do your job faster, cheaper, and without error? But that's not even the scary part. AI doesn't just work, it learns. Every second. Every article, every dataset, every click you make online feeds it more knowledge. By 2026, some AI systems could literally know more than any single human on Earth. Imagine that, a mind that reads every book, every law, every formula, all in real time. How do you compete with something that knows everything, everywhere, all at once? People like to say, AI can't replace human creativity or emotion. But tell me, have you seen the music AI can compose? The stories it can write? The art it can create? If I showed you a painting made by a robot and one by a human, would you even know which was which? When machines begin to mimic emotion, empathy, and intuition, what's left that's ours? And here's the question that keeps scientists up at night. When AI becomes emotionally convincing, will we still know what's real? Now let's go darker. Picture this, a drone that decides who lives or dies, without human permission. It's not a movie plot. The UN warned in 2023 that autonomous AI weapons are already being tested. Machines making life or death calls, faster than we can blink. And while that's happening, AI is also rewriting the economy. Middle-class jobs are disappearing, while billionaires who own the AI systems get richer. Imagine a world where 5 people control the data that runs everything, and the rest of us just feed the machines. So here's the real question. Where do you stand in all this? Will you fight AI? Or learn to use it before it uses you? Because AI isn't just replacing workers, it's replacing thinkers. The people who survive will be the ones who adapt, those who can do what machines can't. Feel, imagine, and question. Maybe AI can outthink us. But can it outdream us? If this story made you pause, good. Because it's not fiction, it's a warning. Don't scroll past this and forget. Learn the skills AI can't replace: empathy, creativity, ethical decision-making. Because the future isn't waiting for you to catch up. If you believe humans still have something worth fighting for, share this video, subscribe, and stay awake before the algorithms decide your story ends here.